When was the last time you had a really good milkshake? It's one of those things we often crave, yet for one reason or another, we seldom make it home. And since today is Memorial Day, I wanted to show you how you can whip up an easy all-American shake in no time. The first thing we want to do is scoop a quart of strawberry frozen yogurt into a blender. If you'd rather, you could always use ice cream or even sherbet. Now to that we add some milk and a bit of raspberry preserves. Give it a good whirl. And you may need to scrape down the sides to make sure everything mixes well. You know what I like best about this? It's one of those dump everything together kind of recipes. Once it's smooth, pour it into tall glasses and top it off with some whipped cream and finish it off with a few berries. Does this look patriotic or what? I sure hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our all-American shake so you can experience that ice cream parlor taste right in the comfort of your home. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we honor those who gave of themselves so we can live a life filled with lots of, ooh, it's so good. For a little kid, you drink a lot of stuff.